Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am sharing all the fall and Halloween decor that I have put up in my office / beauty room space. So it's gonna be like a decorate with me and a little mini tour. I pulled out some decor that I think I'm gonna use for in my beauty room here. I like to use more of like the feminine colors, I guess. So whites and golds and purples. Less on the orange side for this room. I'm not necessarily going to use all these things, but I just wanted to bring up a few things that I could have to work with so I can just kind of arrange and mess around with things. I have all these candles just because I do like to display my candles and enjoy the packaging. So now I'm going to start decorating. First, I'm going to redecorate this little tray here. I still had my summer decor on it, so I'm removing that. And then I'm just adding a mix of Halloween spooky decor with practical items that I actually like to keep on the shelf, such as makeup and some jewelry stuff. And then I'm going to redecorate the cubes on the same shelf. So again, I had some summer things out, so I'm just removing those. Because the back of this shelf is open, I like to use some different gift bags and shopping bags as decor as a backdrop. So I have this glittery heart bag that I'm pushing back here. And then I'm just adding a stack of some of my fall Bath & Body Works candles. I got this white velvet pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. The stems came brown, but I painted mine gold. Next, I'm going to decorate my bookshelf here. I like to do seasonal decor up on the very top shelf, and I'm adding this sparkly jack-o'-lantern bucket that I got a few years ago from Target. I love this thing. And then I'm adding just a few more glam girly pumpkins. This white one with the moon and stars I was just gifted from my boyfriend's sister, Jennifer. Thank you so much. I love this little pumpkin. Then I'm gonna just add a little bit of decor to my desk. I have this tiny jack-o'-lantern bucket that I'm gonna move all my pens and pencils to. Here's a look at my little tray decor here. I did switch things up a little bit, of course. I end up doing that all the time. I just added a pedestal to this little guy so he could stand up a little more. And I wanted to display some of this makeup that I have that's spooky and really cool, so I put that out. And I switched out my candle. That pumpkin, marshmallow, whatever, it was making me sick. I did not like it at all. So I have the vampire blood, and I added my sparkly bat candle holder. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. And then on my perfume tray over here, I just brought out some of my fall scents to display. I actually don't even really like this scent that much, but the packaging is just so pretty. And then I just moved my little jewelry dish here and have another one of these little sparkly pumpkins. And then, like you saw on the bottom shelves, I just have some of my Bath & Body Works candles displayed. And then I just added the little velvet pumpkin on my book stack down here. Here's a look at how I decorated my bookshelf. I also added my little pumpkin charm here to my bag just to look at him because he's so cute. And then here's a look at what my desk looks like. I changed the background on my computer to a nice fall scene as well. And then I also added this adorable Halloween pillow to my bench here. I love this pillow. I like that it's neutral, and I love the pom-poms. And then I also added this cute little skeleton guy to my door. I love him. I think he looks so cute. It's like a velvet material too. And I know a lot of people would be like, why the heck would you decorate the inside of your closet? But I love my closet, and I love looking at my closet. So I just added this nice large moon and star pumpkin right here to the top of this box for just a little extra decor. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoy lifestyle, DIY, and home decor type of videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one.